Alright guys, so what I'm working on here is removing these Alucab factory latches, right? So all it is M5 Allen bolt, and it's got nuts on the back, lock nuts. So you need socket, 8mm socket, and these are, let me see here, 2.5. all right. Yeah, so just gotta loosen them up. Mine were kind of almost stripped, so just gotta be very careful. Just able to get this side off, and then you kind of have to pry it off because it does have a sealant on it, right? So yeah, just take a look at that. I'll be replacing these with the E3Machine billet latches, so stay tuned. All right, so as you can see, I only got one side done, but it looks good. I end up having to actually get longer bolts up top to 40 mils. The ones that come with the top on the Alucab is 30 mils. So I had to go with a 40 mil bolt, and it cleared. So what's cool about this is the old style here, this would like come undone like this, right? Sometimes, right? Or it'll be like this. So what this solves is having a locking pin, right? So this kind of holds everything closed. See, watch, that ain't coming up, right? So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I'll tackle the other side tomorrow when there's more daylight. Pretty happy with it so far. And what's cool also is that you could put a lock through here. Let's see your focus. Yeah, there you go. You could put a lock through that hole. All right. Other side tomorrow, and I'll do the handle tomorrow as well. Yeah, cool. Pretty happy with it so far. It looks pretty awesome. I mean, come on, look at that. It's like artwork on the RTT. Gee.